Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be doing something a little bit different. So, lots of people have come up to me in the recent weeks and said that I sound like the singer of a new band that's out called the ABCT'Z. They say I sound like the lead singer, so what I've done, I've learnt their song Tiller is a Bot on the guitar, and hopefully I sound like the original singer, so I'll just get it happening. So I'll just get it back to the beginning. I'll listen to it to learn it, and here we go. He's such a bot, with the joysticks are moving and the game so clear. When he's playing his game, all you hear is his scream. When he plays his game, it's like a red show, till he's such a bot. When he plays his game, got a grip on the controller and a feel for his game. When he's holding his controller, all you hear is his scream. When he's cruising in the map, doesn't have to listen to anyone, till he's such a bot. When he plays his game, till he's such a bot. When he plays his game, so just leave down in the comments below. I'll leave the link to the original video, and I'll just want to know if I sound like the original singer. So if you could let me know, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.